Today we are going to talk about two-step word problems, which is Center 7 in our math centers. Here is an example of a two-step word problem. I'm going to go ahead and read it to you now. Martha has 5 bags. Each bag has 10 candies in it. She gave away 20 candies at lunch. How many candies does she have left? I'm going to need to go through and chunk my problem. Remember, when we chunk our problem, we are creating a chunk at every good piece of information that we need to remember. I'm going to read the problem again, this time inserting chunks when I hear one good piece of information. Martha has 5 bags. I'm going to chunk here, and I'm going to circle 5 bags. Each bag has 10 candies in it. Again, I'm going to chunk, and I'm going to circle 10 candies. She gave away 20 candies at lunch. Chunk. I'm going to circle gave away 20 candies. How many candies does she have left? I'm going to go ahead and underline my question. How many candies does she have left? Now that I've gone through, I've read the problem several times, and I've chunked and circled important information, I need to make a plan. I need to visualize this problem. I was able to picture in my mind her 5 bags, each with 10 candies. I'm going to go ahead and just sketch out a picture of those bags. So here I have bag 1, bag 2, bag 3, bag 4, and bag 5. I'm imagining to be like Ziploc bags. Inside each bag is 10 candies. Now I could go and put 10 dots in each, and that would take a while. Or I could just record the number 10 to remind me that there are 10 candies in each, and I'm going to go ahead and do that. So there are 10 candies in bag 1, 10 in bag 2, bag 3, bag 4, and bag 5. Now that I have that visual, I can see clearly that this can be thought of as a multiplication problem. I have 5 groups of 10, which tells me I can write 5 times 10. And from knowing my math facts, I know that the factors 5 and 10 give me a product of 50. So right away, I know that she started off with 50 candies. And I'm going to go ahead and label that candies. Now I need to pay attention to the next chunk. She gave away 20 candies. Well, I know if you're giving away something, you're losing it. I can think of that as subtraction. So I think that I should take my 50 candies and I should subtract 20 of them to figure out how many she has left. So I'm going to go ahead and do that here. 50 minus 20, since she gave away 20. I start with my ones, which is 0 minus 0. I know that is 0. 5 minus 2 I know is 3, which tells me she had 30 candies left. I can also write this out as an equation. Let's see, we're talking about candies, so I'm going to use the letter C as my variable. And remember, a variable just holds the place for a number that's going to come. So you can see I've written C equals. Well, the first thing I did was multiply 5 times 10. So I'm going to put in parentheses 5 times 10. Remember, parentheses are bossy. They tell you what to do first. After I multiplied 5 times 10, I subtracted the 20 she gave away. So I'm going to go ahead and put minus 20. So I have a really nice equation here. C for candies equals 5 times 10 minus 20.